Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Alright, today we're doing a front end alignment on the Jeep. Okay, so I've seen people make these before. I've seen a lot of different brands, but they had these TMR online for $100. I know all y'all that have made these yourselves say that it's a lot of money, and it is. But I made the decision to buy these because they do fit about every vehicle on the road. Just about every vehicle, because of the way they slot them, and they were on sale. So I bought them. We're going to show you how they work, or at least try to show you as much as we can of how they work. So the first thing we need to do is bolt these up. I got the bolts loose. Okay, we're going to go over on the other side. Actually, no, we're going to do this side. My cruddy tripod here. I mean, I'm telling you, this thing, it's the only one I got that is small. But anyways, let's see if we can get you in there enough to see what we're doing. We're going to bolt them up. I'm going to turn this down on low because I don't need them bolted tight. Just need them snug. Need to be tight. Okay, I'm going to go do the same thing over on the other side. Sorry about the noise in the background, guys. That's the air compressor. Alright, then we need to get a level, and you can use a bubble level or you can use a precision level, and then you just level them up. But what I'm going to try doing is using the precision level, so I'll be right back. Alright folks, we're going to try to level this up best we can. Well, I don't know. If this one used to work really well, so let's try it. It takes a minute with these digital ones. They're really picky. Oh, there we just went past. Yeah, this one's really picky. I mean, it's almost too picky. I have another one too. They say you can just use a bubble level. Figured this would be like A little more entertaining. I don't know. A little more ridiculous, it seems to me like. Yeah, we barely even touch it and it moves too. Alright, I'm going to call it. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Zeroed out. So the next thing you need is 2 tape measures, and they have to be exactly, let me get it if I can show you here. They have to be exactly the same tape measures. 2 of them. And I'm going to run from the driver's side over this way. Go ahead, bud. You gotta have 2 tape measures. This is gonna be the hard one. So you have to reach through the bottom of the frame. Don't kick the camera. Don't kick the camera. Alright, all I need you to do is hold this right here. While I hook it up on the other side. Just put your thumb on it. Ah, shoot. Let go. Let go. Okay, there it is again.
Alright, I'm hooked on the ledge.
Okay. And is it straight?
Yes. No.
No, it's not. And it has to be
Now it is.
towards the back, as far as we go.
Yep.
Okay. Prove it. Well, these are janky tape measures, I think. Alright, you can let go as long as it doesn't let go. You can let go.
I don't trust it. It's already moving.
Shouldn't. There you go. We'll try it. If we have to, we'll tack it down with something. All right, let me get YouTube back here where they can see what we're doing. Anyway, the point here is you take 2 tape measures, you hook one there and one there. They have to be exactly the same tape measures, except for Tasha didn't get it on the back side like I asked her to. Like that. Okay. Hold on to that. And on the back side, on both sides, you got to get them on the back side like that, or the front side, whichever you pick, but they have to be the same. All right. And I see this one came unleveled again, so I have to level this one back up. Well, that's how it works. Let me just eyeball level here and show you. Then you read your number right here. Right there. It's like right on 170. Look at this one. It's not. So we're needing some adjustments. And that's how this system works, and it works great. Right now it doesn't work so great. Another thing you need to do before you get started though is make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight. It has to be perfectly straight. Now a lot of guys take a seatbelt and wrap around it. I never seem to have been able to get that to work, because the seatbelt just slips around it. But we're going to go from there. Okay, well, I'm going to level this back up. And then all you got to do is go underneath here and do some adjusting with your adjustments for your tie rod ends. So first thing we're going to do, oh, I see a little problem right there. Alright, first thing we're going to do, yeah, I do see a problem right there. That is not cool at all. We got to fix that. That's square. I don't think you can see anything. It's supposed to be inside that. Somebody's had that apart. But anyway, we're going to fix this thing. And we'll bring you back. We'll show you along the way. Okay, YouTube, we're back. We started this hours ago. We had a big deal. Both of these end links, or these ball joints, tie rod ends, were, you could not turn it in the actual adjusting tube. The link was, both links were just completely froze. I had to use a torch. That one there, same thing. The one with the blue there, I had to use a torch, get that up. Tell you what, I beat on it and beat on it and beat on it. We started this morning, and it's, what time is it? 1:40. Yeah, I started this a long time ago. Alright, so we're gonna go and tighten the whole thing up because we've got it. There's that one. And if I can get my stool over here, I'm tired. There's that one. We've got just a teeny, like an 1/8 of an inch. And I cannot seem to get that 1/8 of an inch out by adjusting. So it's gonna have to stay. It's going to have to stay. I don't think it'll ever wear tires. Alright, so let me put her back together. But if you want to do your own alignments, this is the way to go. TMR. And normally 99.9% of the time you won't have this problem. You know, because you're supposed to just be able to grab a hold of this bar, this drag bar, this link, and turn it, or get a hold of your rod, take your tie rod end loose and turn it. Well, you couldn't turn it because it was in this tube. It was just galled shut. So what we're going to do is take our clamps and move them back here and tighten them back down, and we're going to call it a day. Alright guys, thanks for joining us. But if you want to do your own alignment on anything, even little cars, TMR, take it easy. Just go to tmr.com. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye-bye. And this was not a sponsored video. I bought these. Take care guys. Bye-bye.